Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. So all you have to do is to open your Facebook application and then tap these three lines at the top right corner. Now you have to scroll down and look for settings and privacy. So tap settings and privacy and click settings. Now under settings, you have to scroll down and look for your information. Okay, so under your information, you have to click this download your information. So once you tap this, you have to click continue. So you need to download your information in Account Center. Okay, so tap continue and then click request a download. So once you tap request a download, you have to choose either if you want the complete copy or select types of information. So click this select types of information and then here you need to scroll down, okay, and then look for messages. So tap messages here and then click next because you just need to copy and information of your messages. Okay, confirm your Facebook account and then click submit request. So when your download is ready, they will send you a notification for security. You'll only have 4 days to download your file. Okay, so you just have to wait for it and you will see it here. Your information is being prepared for download, so you just have to wait for a few days for you to download or to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Thanks for watching and see you in our next tutorials.